What is going on, y'all? Today we are going to be fishing for pretty much anything, and it's going to be one of those days. I mean, I'm mainly going for trout. So what we got tied on is we got this little Phoebe spoon, tiny silver one, and then we got just a worm on a hook right here. Haven't put the worm on yet, but anyway, I went to this pond 2 days ago and it was pretty active. We recently just stocked it again, so there's a lot of trout in here. And all of the fish are active. There's bluegill everywhere. I just saw a bass, but a 1-pounder swim from under the dock. He was holding something in his mouth. I don't know what it was. It kind of looked like a crayfish, but they are just active today. I was debating bringing my bass gear. If the bass are really active and I start seeing a lot swimming around, I'm gonna go get my bass gear because there is some big ones in here and I'm trying to catch them. There's like 2 4 or 5 pounders, but the rest just big trout. They've been surfacing, I see them, so let's get on them. Let's throw this guy right out. A lot of fish activity today, which is good, obviously. All the fish are feeding. The water has heated up. It's a nice day today. It's 60 degrees, cloudy, and just a lot of activity all around. Just got tapped, and oh, he took it. He took it right at shore. Wow. That was a little guy. Aggressive. Yeah, so they're in the feeding mood right now, which is perfect. Exactly. Yeah, you just see out there. I'm on again. Here we go. Already on. Second cast, we're on. We're on with a nice, looks like a little brookie maybe? Yep, little brookie. Nice. Oh, and he popped off, dude. Damn. That was a nice little one. I love catching brook trout. Even if they're stocked, they got such cool colors on them. Yep, so this little spoon's gonna be doing the work today. Oh, I just got hit again. Just matters if we can hook onto him or not. Yep, I'm on again. Oh my god, the huge one just went and picked it up. They are tapping it every cast. Every cast. This feels so good because I was just out on a lake that I had to drive about 40 minutes to go up to. And I got absolutely nothing. Got one hit. And that's it. Fish for bass, trout, same deal. But got nothing. But now I'm getting fish pretty much every cast. Not catching them, but a bite is still good. And they are aggressive. Oh yeah, oh my god. They're liking it aggressive. It just matters if they get hooked or not because they're kind of swiping at it. It's usually how the trout do. They'll swipe up the shore if they're not getting it. But I'm just gonna try reeling it in pretty fast. Not as slow as I usually do. See how they like it. Oh my god, I just had a huge one bite. I saw him eat it too. That's crazy. I figured I'd cast over in this cove for a change, and there was one hiding out there. Let's do that same thing again. Caught up on something. Oh, I'm on a fish. But my reel's stuck. Oh, that's not good. Reel stuck. There we go. I think it's good. Yeah. Let's just slowly horse this guy in. Slowly. Looks like a nice rainbow. Yeah, he ain't fighting at all. He's like jittering. Yeah, I got him pinned. Pretty sure. Yeah. Just head shaking. Good pull though. I can see this guy fight. Come on. Oh, he's not done yet. They're not the worst fighters. Tired out easy. He ain't done pulling yet. Oh, there we go. Nice. Decent one right there. Look at that. Nice fish. Safe release. Goes right down below the dock. Nice. I'm gonna swap this out, but in the meantime, we are gonna throw around just a worm and get some gills and stuff like that. Bluegill. There you go, nice little guy. No, he's on a tree. There we go. Thanks. Thanks, bud. Oh, nice bluegill. Good fighter. There we go. Nice one. Thanks, bud. So we're gonna tie on this little maps. This is gonna be good because it's not a gold or a silver. I like to use the different colors because usually, well, these fish haven't seen much because they've only been in here a week. And barely anyone fishes here but little kids just using power bait. So they haven't seen much. Not the point. But different colors are good. The fish don't know what is in these waters, and they're going to be introduced to something new and something someone else isn't throwing. Ah, dude, this is killing me. This is killing me. They were just biting so hard. Maybe it's the approach. I'm going to try over on this side. Alright, let's get one. A bluegill just ate it. A bluegill. That is an aggressive bluegill. Look at that. Jeez. That's a chunk. Thanks, man. That is cool. Okay, so I'm back and I got my basket. This could be a good thing or a bad thing, but the point is, I was thinking while going back and doing all this stuff, I was thinking of a new video idea. Or a series, even a series. So, first of all, I gotta show you what I got rigged on. So, first off, we got the 10,000 fish headhunter. I really like these 10,000 fish baits. I know Carl's kind of shows them a lot, but they're like actually pretty good. Not even sponsored. I would be sponsored though. They're actually good baits. This is actually something I would go by. This looks like a bluegill. Swims like one too. And then I have, I don't remember this bait, but it's on a different kind of, what is it called? Crap, I forget. You can probably guess what it's called. Oh, it's a shaky head, small shaky head, 1/16 ounce. And yeah, that's the rig. We're gonna go for some bass right now. And yeah, let's go for it. I was thinking, my GoPro, each battery runs for about an hour and a half. I was thinking of an idea. It would be called half and half, or an hour and an hour, or something like that. And it would be, you have an hour to split with something. Like for today, for example, it would be an hour for trout and an hour for bass. And you see what is better on the specific day you're fishing. Or just a bait. You could like fish baits different, do that, something like that. Like another example would be this bait. Like this could probably work for smallmouth too. So 10,000 fish on headhunter, an hour to fish largemouth and an hour to fish smallmouth, or something like that. Something simple, and I think it would be a good idea because no one's really done that before. There's a bass right there. I'm gonna do a little. Oh yeah, he might pick this up already. He picked it up. Nice! He wanted something. Oh my god, that feels good. I thought I saw him go for it. He kind of went for it. And then I saw him go out of my line of sight, and I saw my line. And the line will just start moving. Why do they always do this? Put your tail down. Quit curling your tail. Where you want to be? That's fine. That is good. Alright, so we already came here. We already got a bass. Maybe they want the cross. Maybe they do. Thanks, bud. Appreciate it. Let's get end off the video for today. So make sure you like and subscribe if you're not already. And as far as the video ideas, I think that would be a good idea. The 1 for 1, like the hour and hour, each hour for something. I think that would be a good idea. If you think not, let me know. If you think yes, then let me know as well. Because I need ideas. That's all I need. I need different ideas. That's what's gonna make me a different YouTuber that you want to watch more. So, just let me know. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.